quickly explain the basics of JavaScript, especially variables, arrays, objects, functions, and loops. These are the building blocks of programming. Firstly, we will talk about variables. Variables is like a container that stores data. In JavaScript, we can use let, const, and var to declare variables. For example, let name is Dinesh and let age equal to 21. Here, name stores text and age stores number. Variable make our code reusable. So instead of hard coding values, we can just store them inside variables and use them in any time. Next, we'll talk about arrays. Usually, arrays is a collection of items stored in a single variable. It's useful when you want hold multiple values. For example, let fruits is equal to apple, banana, mango. Here we have three fruits stored in one array. To access them, we use index fruits 0 gives us apple. Arrays are great when working with lists like student names, marks, or tasks in to-do app, etc. Later, we discuss about objects. Objects helps us to represent real-world entities. They store data as a key value pairs. For example, let person is equal to name, first name Dinesh, last name Nayak, and the age equal to 21. Here, the object describes a person. We can access data using person.name. We here used as we use it to get the data by using dot representation. Objects are powerful because they let us combine related information together, like student's name, roll number, and marks. You can get the value by dot representation. Nextly, we will discuss about functions. Functions is mainly about blocks of code that we can reuse. Instead of repeating code again and again, we just define it once inside a function. For example, function great. Here in function great, we will call return value hello user exclamation mark. If I call great Dinesh function, it prints hello Dinesh. Function makes our code organized and reduced repetition. Loops. Loops are used when we want to repeat something multiple times. For example, if we want to print all items in our fruits array for let I equal to 0, I less than or equal to fruits dot length I plus plus in console fruits index. This runs again and again until condition is false. There is also a while loop which keeps running while the condition is true. While loop, for example, let count is equal to 1 while count less than or equal to 3. In console, count plus plus. So loops are super helpful when working with lists, calculations, or repeating tasks. So totally for the conclusion we have discussed today, we covered variables, arrays, objects, functions, and loops. Five of the most important blocks in JavaScript. If you practice this well, and if you practice this well, you will have a strong foundation for web development and problem solving skills. So today we have saw about variables, arrays, objects, functions, loops, while loop, etc. So we should, and it is So we explored variables, arrays, objects, functions, and loops. These five concepts are the foundation of JavaScript. Mastering them means you can start building websites, apps, and even backend system with confidence. Keep practicing, and soon you will find JavaScript very, very easy and fun to work with.